Good day to everyone. My name is Mael B. Santiago from Concepcion Technical Vocational School, and I'm here to present the example of SLEM or Supplementary Learning Module. But before we start, let us know the different labels of the SLEM. First, the grade level, subject, learning competencies, instruction of the SLEM, title of the lesson, expectation, objectives, introduction, pretest, activity, explore, remember, checking your understanding, reflection, and post-test. So this is the example of the learning modules. Grade level, so that's grade 9. Subject, TLETB, Electrical Installation Maintenance Inset 2. Learning competency, prepare construction tools and then materials. Follow the instruction how to use this module. Before you start answering the module, I want you to set aside other tasks that will disturb you while enjoying the lesson. Read the simple instruction below to successfully enjoy the objectives of this kit, and then have fun. Number 1, follow carefully all the contents and instructions indicated in every page of this module. Number 2, write on your notebook or any writing pad the concept about the lesson. Writing enhances learning. That is important to develop and keep in mind. Number 3, perform all the provided activities in the module. Number 4, let your facilitator guardian assess your answer. Number 5, analyze conceptually the post-test and apply what you have learned. And the number 6, enjoy studying. For the title of the lesson, Basic Electrical Tools and Materials. And then for the expectation, at the end of the module, you should be able to A. Identify the basic hand tools and materials in electricity. B. Classify the tools in electricity according to use. And then C. Describe the function and importance of each electrical tools and materials in electricity. Introduction. This module contains information and suggested learning activities on the different kind of basic electrical tools. It includes instruction on how to identify the basic electrical tools and what are their uses. Before we start the activities, read well the information. The activities provided in this module is to assess your competence, and it will be checked if you have acquired the knowledge necessary to perform the skill portion of this particular learning outcome. Pretest. A. Direction. Write T if the statement is correct and F it is wrong. Write your answer on a separate answer sheet. Question number 1. All tools can be used as hammer. Question number 2. Flat screwdriver is an example of boring tool. Question number 3. Circuit breaker is a device used to protect electrical system. Number 4. Cutting tools should be sharpened as necessary. And the number 5. Tools and materials should be stored according to their kind. B. Direction. Identify what is being referred by the following sentences. Write your answer on a separate answer sheet. Question number 1. It is used to drive and loose cross-slotted head screws. Choices are A. Pliers, B. Claw hammer, C. Screwdriver, and then D. Long nose plier. Question number 2. It is used to scrape surfaces of conductors and remove big cables insulation. Choices are A. Electrician's plier, B. Long nose, and then C. Gimlet, and then D. BOM. Question number 3. It is used to grip wires and twist if there is a joint in two cables. Choices are A. Side cutter, B. Hammer, C. Screwdriver, and then D. Electrician's plier. Question number 4. It is commonly used to make terminal loops on copper wire and reach tight places. Choices are A. Pliers, B. Claw hammer, C. Screwdriver, D. Long nose plier. Question number 5. It is used to drive and pull out nails. Choices are A. Side cutter, B. Claw hammer, C. Screwdriver, and then D. Electrician's plier. For the activity, Task 1. Illustration and definition of electrical tools and then materials. Direction. Look and read carefully the illustration, definition, and uses of some basic tools and materials in electricity. Try to memorize each electrical tools and materials. And this is the illustration. Voltmeter tester or multi-tester. It is a tool designed to measure electrical current, voltage, and usually resistance, typically over several ranges of value. Phillips screwdriver. It has a cross tip resembling a positive sign. It is used to drive screws with slot head. Standard flat screwdriver. The blade tip is wedge-shaped and resembles negative sign. It is used to drive screws with a single slot head. Combination pliers or lineman's plier. It is used for gripping, holding, and cutting electrical wires and cable. Side cutting pliers. It is a type of pliers and is used only for cutting fine, medium, and big wires and cables. Long nose plier. It is used for holding and cutting fine wires. This can reach tight space or small opening where other pliers cannot be reached, and also it is used in making terminal loops and of copper wires. Claw hammer. It is a tool used in driving and pulling out nails. This is commonly made of hard steel and wooden handle. Pull-push rule. It measures all kinds of field measurements such as setting height for switches and outlets, centering lightings, fixtures, boxes, and marking surfaces for panel board. Piece tape is used to pull stranded or solid wire conductors through a metal or PVC conduit. Cable lube is available to assist you in pulling the wires through the conduit. A piece tape can also be helpful when you are pulling the cables through wall cavities. Convenience outlet. A device that acts as a convenient source of electrical energy for current consuming appliances. It is where the male plug of an appliance is inserted, and it is usually fastened on the wall or connected in an extension cord. It may be single, duplex, triplex, or could be surface type or plus type. Male plug. A device that is inserted to a convenience outlet to conduct electrical current. A cord is attached to it on one end, and the other end is connected to a current consuming instrument or appliances. Lamp holder. A device that holds and protects the lamp, and are also called lamp socket or receptacles. They are classified as plus type, hanging type, weatherproof type, chain type, and then surface type. Switch. A device that connect and disconnect the flow of electrical current in a circuit. They are classified as hanging type, plus type, and then surface type. Fuse. A circuit protective device that automatically blows and cut the current flows when there is an overload or short circuit happen. Task 2. Moving around and analyze. Direction. Examine your area. Get your notebook or piece of paper. Write all the electrical materials that's been used in your house and try to analyze their importance and function. Get ready with yourself, and if you have someone within your house who have knowledge in electricity, try to get help from them and do this. Go around inside and outside of your house together with someone. Look and observe your electrical system and write its importance and function. Explore. A. Direction. Copy the table on your notebook or in a separate answer sheet together with the names of the electrical tools. Put check along its name according to its classification of uses. Based on the above illustration, definition, and uses of some basic tools and materials in electricity, classify the tools according to their uses. For the first column, so this is the name of the tools: Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, combination plier, side cutting plier, long nose plier, claw hammer, pull-push rule, piece tape. For the second column, the classification according to uses, whether it is driving, the next column holding, the next one cutting, and then the last one for measuring. B. Direction. On your notebook or separate answer sheet, try to answer this question. How was your activity based on looking around your house? Did you enjoy it? Why, and then why not? For the direction C, write your answer on a separate answer sheet. Try to answer the questions below using all the data and information that you have got during your observations around your house, finding and analyzing the importance and function of each electrical materials. Question number 1, what is the function of switch? Question number 2, why the raceway of PVC was clamped? Question number 3, what is the importance of using junction box? Question number 4, why the conductors or wires are inserted in a conduit? Question number 5, do you think that the circuit breaker is a device that is very useful? Why? And what is the function of circuit breaker? Remember, as a new trend in our society, electricity is one of the vital needs of everyone, whether in a simple household or in a large scale of commercial industry. There can be no more electricity without the use of tools to install, connect, and or even for maintenance in the electricity. Moreover, electricity have its purpose perfectly with the use of different supplies and materials as much as to operate in a required capacity. An electrician performs his duties with the use of electrical tools. He can do splicing two or more conductor or wires without harming his hand using his combination pliers. He can drive screws flathead or even rounded head with the use of screwdrivers, whether positive or negative. A linesman can scrape an insulator from large conductor using his electrician's knife and connect it into live source using his linesman insulated pliers. He can test if there is a current in a circuit using his multi-tester. Drive the nail of a clamp using his claw hammer. He can make terminal loop of copper wires to fasten into a screw using his long nose plier. An electrician can cut conductors or wires using his side cutter. He can pull conductors of wire inside the conduit pipe using his piece tape. He can measure the length of conduit needed using his pull-push rule. Checking your understanding. Let us find out if you remember some points in learning. Direction. Write T if the statement is correct and F if it is wrong. Write your answer on a separate answer sheet. Question number 1. An electrician can scrape or remove insulator from a conductor using his teeth. Question number 2. Cutting the conductor will be easily if you use side cutter. And number 3. To test if there is a current in a circuit, use multi-tester. For number 4, to create terminal loop in a copper wire, you can use claw hammer. And for the number 5, to measure the length of a materials, you can use pull-push rule. Reflection. At this point, write down your answer, your notes, your significant learning by completing the following sentences below. I have learned that, I have realized that, I will apply. For the last part, post-test, multiple choice, direction. Read the following questions carefully and choose the letter of the best describe the statement. Use your notebook to write your answer. Question number 1. Dominic wants to drive the nail of the clamp to fix the conduit on the wall. What tools does he need? Choices are A. Plier, B. Hammer, C. Knife, and then D. Piece tape. Question number 2. Andy was turned off the lights at the dining room. What device does he touch? Choices are A. Circuit breaker, B. Convenience outlet, C. Switch, D. Receptacle. Question number 3. Jojo is an electrician and he is twisting the conductor to make sure the connection connecting properly. Which tools does he is using? Choices are A. Screwdriver, B. Combination plier, C. Multi-tester, and then D. Piece tape. Question number 4. Richard bought electrical materials to make sure that the conductor is protected. What kind of electrical materials that he bought? Choices are A. Convenience outlet, B. Male plug, C. Switch, and then D. Conduit. Question number 5. Raymond bought electrical device that will protect the electrical system from overloading. What kind of electrical device that he bought? Choices are A. Switch, B. Circuit breaker, C. Conduit, D. Male plug. Question number 6. Rogie is having problem with the length of conduit that he need for the electrical installation. What tools does he need? Choice are A. Screwdriver, B. Combination plier, C. Pulpose rule, and then D. Piece tape. 7. If B is holding an electrical materials that can hold and protect the bulb, what kind of electrical materials that she is holding? Choice are A. Circuit breaker, B. Convenience outlet, C. Switch, D. Receptacle. Number 8. Jubel bought a device that acts as a convenient source of electrical energy for current-consuming appliances. What kind of electrical device that she bought? Choices are A. Convenience outlet, B. male plug, C. Switch, D. Conduit. Question number 9. What kind of electrical device that is inserted to a convenience outlet to conduct electrical current? A. Switch, B. Circuit breaker, C. Conduit, D. male plug. Question number 10. It is a rectangular shape, plastic or metallic PVC materials in which plus type or convenience outlet and switch are attached. Choices are A. Circuit breaker, B. Utility box, C. Switch, D. Receptacle. That's all, and thank you.